Hi, so this is Claire. She's just had her LTP fitted today. She had her surgery on the 4th of July, and we're just asking a few questions about how was your journey overall, your experience.
It's been absolutely amazing. It's flown by. So initially you feel like you've got a long time for your surgery to come round, but it just flies by. It's just been seamless. There's just been no issues whatsoever, and the customer service is just second to none. Amazing. Everyone's really friendly. You've got your little WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
If you think of any, helps? Oh, massively. So if you have like any queries and you think, oh, I'd never asked that, you can just send your message. Someone gets back to you really, really quickly.
Yeah.
And I found the Facebook group.
Yeah.
Fantastic support.
Amazing.
Because everyone you're talking to on there has either been through it or going through it.
Yeah,
so like that's amazing. Yeah.
Good community. Amazing. How was your surgery? Was it as bad as you expected or not as...
Well, I was so excited. I couldn't wait. I wasn't nervous at all. Because I had a fall on my horse when I was 14.
Yeah.
So for 48 years I've been trying to save my teeth.
Wow. Okay.
And I had like 19 crowns, and I had a pallet at the front, which I absolutely hated. So once I got accepted here, I was like just delighted. So come surgery day, I was like skipping into surgery and no pain whatsoever, nothing. It was just unbelievable, and it went so quick. I just felt like I was in there about an hour. When they said you're done, I was like, really?
Oh, amazing. And how has it changed your life at home? Have your family noticed a difference?
Everybody has. I was very conscious of my smile. Now I don't stop. I can't. I've never been vain, but I can't walk past a mirror without. I'm in the car at traffic lights and I look in the mirror and I go.
Like every mirror you see from now on.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. And what would you recommend to someone who's thinking about going ahead on the journey?
Do it. If you're not happy with your smile, then, and it's not just cosmetic, it's not your smile, it's about being able to eat food and not be conscious of things. So if you have an issue with your teeth, do it. Make that initial contact, and from that very, very first appointment, you're just like, I want these teeth now, I want it. So just do it, and not to worry, because sometimes you think it can be quite daunting, the thought of what you're going to go through, but it's nothing.
Oh,
it's nothing, it's great.
And how long was you looking at 21D? Did it take you a while, or did you just stumble?
I'll be honest, about 6 months.
Yeah.
And I was umming and ahhing, and I actually went to my dentist for a checkup.
Yeah.
And I said, I've been doing research. And he said, well, what have you come up with? And I said, 21D.
Yeah.
And he said, I've heard of them. So he said, we'll finish your checkup and I'll get it up on the computer. And he looked at it and he said, everyone there, all those people are surgeons that are as highly qualified as they can be. And if they can do what they say they can do, snatch the hand off.
Yeah. Oh, that's amazing.
So,
my favourite question: what are you going to eat? What's your
steak and chips? Yeah.
And you're going away, aren't you, for a little?
I'm going away for a girly weekend.
Lovely.
So there's 8 of us, and we're all meeting in North Wales today for lunch. So yes, definitely a steak for lunch.
Oh, well, amazing! It's lovely speaking to you, Claire, and lovely to meet you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.